Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about our factory and machinery management. This helps us move products more smoothly and work more efficiently. We are focusing on setting up a millet noodles manufacturing plant with the following capabilities. A small size factory of 130 kilograms per day with an area of 500 to 1000 square feet. A medium size factory of 200 kilograms per day with an area of 1000 to 1500 square feet. First, we start with the entry and storage of raw materials. Designate an area near the entrance for storage of raw materials for easy unloading. Then place the flour mill. It is used to convert millet grains into flour. After that, have a mixing machine for mixing ingredients to make noodles. Next you put the noodles extruder and cutting machine part also. This area shapes dough into noodles. After the cutting machine, place the boiler and steamer machines. These machines partially cook the noodles through steam with gas cylinders. Next to this should be the aluminium heating machine and boxes. This place removes moisture from the noodles for preservation. A room should be arranged to house this machine. Next you place the weighing machine. This area is used to weigh millet noodles gram-wise to kgs-wise with coolies. After that you put the packing machine. This machine is used for packaging noodles. After the workers complete the packaging. Near the exit, establish an area for storage and distribution of the finished product. Use shelving units or pallets to store finished products, organized for easy access and shipping. By considering all these factors, you can efficiently produce millet noodles. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.